All right, what's up everybody? Meredith here with Svelte Training, and I've got an awesome pool chair workout for you. So obviously we have a pool, but you could do this in your house, wherever you are, as long as you have a chair, a couch, whatever. So we're gonna walk you through all the exercises, and then we're gonna get into this workout together. All right, let's do it. All right, so this first exercise, sitting down, you're just doing a shoulder raise. So first things first, positioning on the chair is really important. You wanna be somewhat on the edge. You want your feet to be flat, and you want your feet to be straight out in front. So if you're sitting like this, it's not good. So you want it to be nice and straight, chest up as if you have a balloon pulling your head up to the sky. This shoulder raise, your hands start up, and then you're pulling down and back. So sorry for a little bit of wind here. If you're inside, you're not gonna have this wind. But as you pull down, squeeze the shoulder blades. As you come up, squeeze the rib cage. So let me say that again. As you come down, squeeze the shoulder blades like you're pinching a pencil. Stay in that nice 90-degree angle. As you come up, pinch the rib cage as if you're cinching it like a corset. Second exercise is a knee to elbow. So hands behind the head, come up knee to elbow. Come up knee to elbow. So you're crunching. You can even come a little bit more on the edge so you get a little bit more. Okay. Coming up here a little bit more. Good. Then you're just doing a knee march. So this is like a knee crunch, okay? So you're just crunching up. Then we're going straight into a sit to stand. So chest up, shoulders back, feet planted. You're standing, pushing your hands back. Hopefully I don't fall in the pool. Sit down and back, okay? Down and back, driving off of your heels. Then straight from there, we're going a sit to hop. So same thing, scoot the chair back a little bit so I don't take a dip. I know that would probably be really funny, but I don't want to get wet right now. So standing, hopping, nice and soft and sitting. Hopping, nice and soft and sitting. Okay, then we're gonna go a dip. So even more, you can put it to the side so you guys can see this dip. Sitting to the edge, pushing your hands to the edge. Nice, easy movement here. And this is an up and down movement. It's not a forward back, because if you go forward back, that's gonna put strain on your shoulders. You wanna do is dip down, press off the palms. Down, press off the palms. Last but not least is going to be a side leg lift. So you're gonna come behind the chair. You're gonna be lifting to the side. Almost like a dancer leg lift, and then you're gonna be shifting so you guys can see me. Same thing, lifting from the other side. Really focusing on crunching that, say, outer butt area, right? Like that saddlebag, you really wanna squeeze that. So that is your seated pool chair workout. Remember, you don't need an actual pool chair. You don't need a pool. You just need a chair or a couch, anything you have. So let's go ahead and get into this workout together. All right, here we go. So we're starting with that shoulder raise. Remember, get good positioning on the chair or the couch, and starting and down. So remember, up, squeeze the rib cage, down, squeeze the back. Okay, really breathing. And you should always be flexed here. Like pull your belly button as tight as you can into your spine and really squeeze as if you're holding that pencil between your shoulder blades. Big breath. Good. Squeeze, squeeze, good. 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze that and hold it for a second here. Then we're going a knee to elbow. So right away, 30 seconds, and go forward for it. Good. Press. Remember, you can come up to the edge a little bit more, and you want to really crunch. And crunch, so you're feeling that crunch in that top part of your abs. You might have a little pocket of fat there that you're trying to really obliterate. This is a very good exercise. See how I'm kind of arching back? That really stretches it out, and down, and down. Good. Really breathing. Being very deliberate with your exercises is really important, because you can just do this movement and it's not going to do anything for you, right? So let's go 2, 1, and down. Right away, just crunching up. Good. So not a lot of rest here, because I want to keep that heart rate up. I want to keep that core engaged. So remember, this one's not so much a leaning forward, but more coming from that lower ab section. Really pulling up, keeping those feet facing forward. You can even bring them to your hands. Good. Chest up, pulling everything back. Having the best posture is going to help so much. 2, 1, sit to stand, big breath. Plant those feet, drive through the heels and stand. Down and stand. This is a really great office workout too. If you've been finding yourself sitting a lot, this is a great exercise sequence that you can do if you're watching TV with the kids, if you're at your computer, wherever you are. If you've got a chair, you can do this. Press through the heels. Last one's always the best one. Stand, shake it out, because now we're going sit to hop. Remember, back yourself up if you are near a pool. Sit to hop here, starting in 3, 2, 1, down. Hop straight up, nice and soft landing. Up, nice and soft landing. Good, keep that core really tight every time. And I'm pushing back because that gives you a little bit more of like a tricep work too. And I challenge you to do this, and I challenge you to talk the entire time you're doing it. It gives you a little bit extra in your cardio. Good, press. 3, 2, one more for good measure. Good work. Pushing over, we're doing dips now. So come together that chair, take a big breath, and dip down and press. Now, if you want a little bit more, legs can go straight. Remember, it's still an up and down motion, not forward and back. Press. Really sink and drive up and hold. Squeeze the triceps. Squeeze the triceps. Good work here. Speed it up a little bit, get a little bit of a burn. Woo, here we go. Burn it out. 3, 2, 1. Good work. Last but not least, that side leg lift. Coming forward, we're gonna do 15 seconds on each leg. Standing up, planting that left foot, driving that right leg out. Really thinking about holding onto the chair just for stabilizing. You're not gripping onto this thing. No white knuckles, okay? Big breath. And switch sides, shuffling over, and reach. Reach with that leg. Reach with that leg and squeeze with that butt. Big breath in through your nose for me. 2, 1, and you're done. Take a seat. And that is your seated pool chair workout, home workout, wherever you have a chair, wherever you have a couch. Make sure you're doing this, and make sure you check out all the other videos we have for you, because they're gonna get you in shape faster than you ever thought possible. Low impact, high reward. So make sure you like and share this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.